Hello and welcome to this course on Introduction to Java. Java is a class-based object-oriented programming language. Though we do not consider it fully object-oriented programming, it is still part of the object-oriented architecture. It is a general-purpose, high-level programming language that helps programmers and developers to write code once and run it anywhere. Java is considered both a compiled and an interpreted language. This is because Java source code is first compiled to bytecode, which the Java virtual machine then interrupts. Java virtual machine interprets the bytecode and converts it to a platform specific machine code. Hence, Java is also called as platform independent programming language. Now, let us see why Java is popular. The first reason is scalability. Scalability adds capacity to our system. It improves the capacity of the system by adding the system resources without affecting the deployment architecture. We can achieve scalability by increasing the resources such as RAM and CPU in a single system. This is important because it handles the workload, increases the system performance, and maximizes productivity. The next reason is cross platform. Cross platform means a compiled Java program can be run on all platforms. Remember that the machine must have a Java virtual machine. After compiling a Java program, the Java code gets converted into a bytecode, which is platform independent. This bytecode is understood by the JVM. We can run this bytecode on any platform. The next is memory management. Java provides its own mechanism for managing the memory and is called as garbage collection. We need not care about the memory and do not require to implement it to manage the memory. It is automatically done and deletes the objects when they are no longer used by the application. This improves the speed of the application. The last is multi-threading. Thread is a lightweight subprocess. Multithreading in Java allows concurrent execution of two or more threads simultaneously. This helps in maximizing the utilization of the CPU. Next, we are going to see about applications of Java. The first application is mobile app development. The Java programming language can be considered as the official programming language for mobile application development. Most of the Android applications are built using Java. The most popular Android app development IDE is Android Studio, and it also uses Java for developing Android applications. So if you're already familiar with Java, it will become much easier to develop Android applications. The most popular Android applications, Spotify and Twitter, are developed using Java. The next application is game development. Java is widely used by game development companies because it has the support of open source most powerful 3D engines. The engine provides unparalleled capacity when it comes to the context of designing 3D games. The most popular game developed in Java are Minecraft, Mission Impossible 3, etc. There are some popular frameworks and libraries available for game development like libgdx and OpenGL. The next application that we are going to see is IoT application. IoT is a technology that connects the devices in its networks and communicates with them. IoT has been found almost in all small devices such as healthcare, smartphone, wearables, smart lighting, TVs, etc. For developing IoT applications, there's a lot of programming languages that can be used, but Java offers an edge to developers that is unparalleled. IoT programmers gravitate towards Java because of its flexibility, security, and versatility. The last application that we are going to look at is desktop GUI applications. We can also develop a GUI application using Java. Java provides AWT, JavaFX, and Swing for developing GUI-based desktop applications. These tools contain the pre-assembled components like lists, menus, buttons. Other applications of Java include web-based applications, big data technology, distributed applications, and cloud-based applications. So web-based applications. It is also used for developing web-based applications because it provides vast support for web development through servlet, JSP, and struts. It is the reason that Java is also known as server-side programming language. Using these technologies, we can develop a variety of applications. The most popular framework Spring, Hibernate, Spring Boot used for developing web-based applications. The next is big data technology. As many programming languages are available for big data technology, still Java is the first choice for the same. The tool Hadoop HDFS platform for processing and storing big data application is written in Java. In big data, Java is widely used in ETL applications such as Apache Camel and Apache Kafka. It is used to extract and transform data and load in big data environments. The next is distributed applications. The JINI, Java Intelligent Networking Infrastructure, provides the infrastructure to register and find distributed services based on its specifications. It implements a mechanism that is known as Java Spaces. It supports the distribution, persistence, and migration of objects in a network. Cloud-based applications. A cloud-based application is on-demand availability of IT resources via the internet. The cloud-based application provides the service at a low cost. Java provides the environment to develop cloud-based applications. We can use Java to develop SaaS, LaaS, and PaaS products as a service. The cloud application widely used to share data between companies or to develop applications remotely. The last that we are going to see is advantages of Java. Java is easy to learn. Java was designed to be easy to use and therefore easy to write, compile, debug, and learn than other programming languages. Java is object oriented. This allows you to create modular programs and reusable code. Java is platform independent. One of the most significant advantages of Java is its ability to move easily from one computer system to another. The ability to run the same program on many different systems is crucial to World Wide Web software, and Java succeeds at this by being platform independent at both the source and binary level. Java is a compiled programming language, but rather than compile straight to executable machine code, it compiles to an intermediate binary form called the Java Virtual Machine bytecode. This bytecode is then compiled or interpreted to run the program. At last, Java is a high level class based object oriented programming language that is designed to have few implementation dependencies as possible. This acts as a great advantage. So, in this lecture, we saw what is Java, why Java is popular, and the applications of Java. At last, the advantages of Java. See you in the next video. Thank you.